This motor actually cost me a lot of money. Welcome to Fokou Media. Don't forget, this is a channel of technician, channel of entrepreneur, channel of business people, channel of traveler. This one is for dishwashers. It cost me almost $100. This, which is about 1,700. So I bought it for 1.5, so it was close to $100. The spare part, it became very, very expensive. Can you imagine? This one cost me almost $80, so close to $100. This, I'll go to the customer, I will do the replacement, and when you charge the customer complain that you are expensive. Life in Johannesburg is not easy, so you can see how much the replacement part is costing. The 2-cabinet thermostat is actually the VT9 replacement of thermostat 2-cabinet. So this thermostat, we used to buy this thermostat for 75 rand, but the same thermostat today is 160 rand. From 75 rand to 160 rand. You go to the customer, if you put extra 200 to charge the customer, you have to charge the customer with your transport minimum of 500 rand, and the customer will find out that it's expensive. Why is it expensive? It's only expensive because the part of the thermostat actually is costly. So we bought this one now for 160 rand, and then you see this is how the thermostat look like. Actually, in your fridge you got something is regulated the time for your motor or the time for your compressor to work. And then in your fridge where there's a light, we always have this potentiometer to set the time. We can set it from 0 to 6 or from 0 to 7 in your fridge. So I'm going to a customer right now to replace this thermostat. You see, when your fridge got this kind of problem, we need to change the thermostat. On this case, the fridge of the customer could not defroze. The fridge is keeping a lot of block of ice because the thermostat is not working, and the compressor is actually overload. The compressor is turning. So I'm going to replace this one. The cost of living in Johannesburg is very high. In Johannesburg, the replacement part are expensive, so the customer will be charged more than usual. We have to increase the price of our labor as well, otherwise we cannot make it. I know you guys have been supporting me, and for those who have been supporting me, thank you very much. If you want to support the channel, you can contact me in my Gmail. You can also contact me in my Instagram if you want to support the channel in any way. This is another toolbox, which I have a lot of few things who actually help me to do my handiwork. Guys, if you don't know, for those just joined this channel now, I'm actually a technician. Okay, I'm a technician of satellite, technician of air conditioning, actually technician of appliances. I fix appliances, I install dstv, I install air conditioning. So it's actually 3-in-1. Okay, if you got a problem of air conditioning, you got a problem of your fridge, you got a problem of your television, you got a problem of your dstv, yeah, you can always contact me to my Instagram, the same name, Fokou Media. That's why I say, if you're new here, please do subscribe. Don't forget to tell me from which country are you. This box is for a Telefunken TV, 55-inch. Telefunken TV 55-inch. Second-hand board like this one, 1,000 rand, 1,200 rand. So it's costly. This one is actually almost $50. This almost $50. I don't know how much it costs on your site. This is another board for a client, which I'm going to be replacing now. $50. So you may find out that you end up charge this customer about $80 or $100 after replacing this part, because you buy the part, the cost of driving around get the part, and the replacement, you might charge the customer like $100 for a TV repair. That's where I say the cost of living here now is very high. A T-con like this one, this is for 40-inch television. This T-con cost me for 300 rand, which is about $12. This one cost me $12. And then I'm also going to replace this in the television to solve the problem. Okay, guys, this is a magnetron. This is actually for microwave. I got another one with damage like this. This one is damaged, so I'm going to be doing the replacement of this. Welcome to the workshop. If you want to be part of our family, you just need to subscribe, give your support to the channel, and press the bell of notification so that anytime when I upload the video, you'll be the first person to be informed, and there you'll be part of this family. It's a family of technicians, it's a family of traveler, it's a family of business people, family of people who want to share knowledge. We share knowledge in this platform. And then if you are somebody who wants to uplift yourself, you want to grow in terms of knowledge, the platform is for you, especially if you're a technician. And then if you want to upgrade your knowledge as a traveler, if you want to know about traveling, you can have some experience of our traveling video. And then if you also want to be entertained, while we are traveling, we entertain you as well. We make you feel good. We're gonna be taking you around the world with our lens. Channel of entrepreneur, channel of business people, channel of technician, channel of traveler. Guys, this workshop is where I services appliances. This is from where I take off to go to the client for the satellite, client for their air conditioning, go to the client for their fridges, go to the client for their TV, go to the client for their dstv. This is my workshop. Welcome to my workshop. So guys, my name is Alphonse Fokou. If you like what we are doing here, don't forget to subscribe. Let me see you in my next video. Ciao. Keep on.